Hey guys, I'm back. I was starting a video, but then I got a little pissed. Oh, I got 25 and he has 18. Oh, 25 and 0, guys. I will win. 213. Oh, 25. So, I had 25, but it went faster. I got 25, this guy has 25. Yeah. There's 2 of living, my goodness. Okay, 95 health. Nothing. Yes! God dang it. Oh, he does more than me. Damn! I hope you die today. You have such low health though. Yeah, but I have more health. Yes! More health! Wait guys. If I want 3 more. Yeah, let me go. Guys, sorry I took so long. Wait. Oh, I'm fighting this guy. Ja! 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 Okay, he wins. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna do what it said. The bad thing is, I don't have any weapons. Come on, what the hell? I had to. My cousin sees me right now. This is so fucking embarrassing. Oh, me. Attack toolbox. Oh, that's nice. Eh? 1 second. ¿Qué, tata? Que estoy haciendo algo. Sorry, that was my grandma. 25. They're the same thing, Daniel. Well, just because they got so many stars, I'm gonna put it okay. Wait, bro, wait. Okay, so that's it. 39, guys. Combined with the other one? Yes. Guys, I paid it. I did it. 45 attack damage. Dang. That's more than everything I've seen right now. I'm fighting the ham. Come on, the ham. You ain't gonna be the winner anymore when I'm done with you. I do 45, you do 29. I do more than you, but you have more health than me. I won't say it. Respect. Reward. I have my machine one. Oh, he's online. Wait, I need my message. No, this. Oh my god, guys! Oh my god! I don't know what was that? What? Sometimes I feel that this game is trying to screw with me. Why would you walk into? Oh my goodness. I lost 3 fights out of 14. That's horrible, Ernest. Yes! Guys, I'm doing amazing right now. Okay, that's barely any damage, boy. Come on, mother boy. And guys, next round, I'm going to add that health pack. Wait, should I add it now or next episode? Fight 12, I'm losing this. 9. Yes. The hammer, dang! Gold taker, you're dang. Still not enough, guys. Come on. This time, I'm gonna upgrade its health because I've been seeing that they won, but with very low health. Wait, what the hell? I don't know. Well, guys, apparently I used it already. What did I use it though? I don't remember using it. Oh, guys, I'm using this shirt. Guys, I'm gonna open this box. Oh, that sucks. Yes, thank you for the weapon. All I care about is a weapon right now. Thanks. It is a roller. Guys, this is a horrible deal. That's all, people. A pony. Oh no, that's... Well, guys, good thing there's something called Quick Fight. Since I got no money, I just gotta play. Ponyface. Like that name, boy. Wait. Enjoying cats. Not now. Yes! That's my mother load. Guys, for me right now, that's technically like my mother. Is that my mother from Heaven? Well, my mom's not dead. She's on Earth. Trust me, she's not dead. One diamond. God dang it. God dang it. Wait. 50. 30, 10, 10. 20. This is the closest. 30, 75, 85, 91. I want to combine those two, and then those two, combine it into this one. Because I really want to combine just everything into this one. Guys, I'm really bored right now because I still have money, but I'm gonna have to fight for it. We got another chance. Nice. 40. That's a question, because I'm like 2. Oh, it's ever. What the hell were they? No. Okay, guys, I've betted for this one, and I don't know when the hell it's going to start. But geez, we will see. This. It's technically on my money, so yeah. Oh, I just realized something, guys. We can sell some trays. Like this. That is tray. And you know that is tray. Oh yeah. Did it trays. Did it trays. Okay, I don't need any of these tires because I already got good tires. Okay, I can't sell that. I don't need this, I'm sorry. Especially don't need this. I only need one of you guys. You know. Gangster. Well, guys,